Putting money aside feels foreign, new, but habits form from the steps that we pursue. Mama's words in mind, effort is key if I want to pursue this life successfully. If I want to live my best life, no regrets, I gotta budget and save just like the rest. Budgeting, my path to success, a route I'll take, my way to progress. No more lechono, no more despair. It's a new journey written with thought and care. As month end arrives, no more strife, because I am balancing the scales of my life, no longer swayed by momentary highs. What's a budget to a girl like me? It's a lifeline, a future I foresee.